You've been planting flowers wrong this whole time. Most people don't realize that just a few colorful blooms can turn an ordinary garden into a butterfly sanctuary. But here's the twist: some of the best butterfly-attracting flowers are often ignored or planted too late. Today, let's uncover 38 beautiful flowers that butterflies absolutely can't resist. And a few of them might already be growing in your backyard without you knowing their true potential. Joe Pye Weed stands tall in the garden with pink blooms that smell like vanilla. This plant is a magnet for butterflies and fills up empty spaces fast. It thrives in full sun and adds height and fragrance to any landscape. Sunflowers aren't just bold, they're butterfly magnets. Their whole heads offer landing space and loads of nectar. Plus, the leaves double as food for caterpillars, making it a full-cycle pollinator plant. Cornflowers offer that charming cottage garden feel with their vivid blue petals. They're low maintenance and reseed themselves, which means more flowers and butterflies every year without extra work. Bee balm adds a wild pop of red, pink, or purple in flower beds. It's not only a butterfly favorite, but also carries a spicy scent that deters deer. Plant it near the edge of a path for maximum visual impact. Russian sage stands out with silvery foliage and masses of lavender blue flowers. Even a single plant can invite a flurry of fluttering wings. Its drought tolerance makes it ideal for low-maintenance butterfly gardening. Chrysanthemums are fall favorites that keep butterflies visiting till the season's end. Their late blooms in rich oranges and reds are like beacons for passing pollinators when other flowers fade. Aster blooms in late summer and fall when butterflies need nectar the most. Their star-shaped flowers come in purple, pink, and blue, and are perfect for borders or containers. Tickseed is a 2-for-1 deal, great for butterflies and birds. It blooms non-stop in yellow or orange and draws painted ladies and buckeye butterflies like a charm. Cosmos grow tall and colorful in pink, red, and white. Their wide petals make ideal landing spots for butterflies and look great swaying in the summer breeze. Zinnias bloom until frost and come in nearly every color imaginable. They're easy to grow from seed and bring butterflies in swarms when planted in sunny spots. Black-eyed Susans bring a wildflower vibe with bright yellow petals and dark centers. They add bold color and attract monarchs and swallowtails reliably. Buttonbush is often overlooked but offers unique round, fragrant blooms. It's a host to many butterfly species and fits beautifully in wet or low-lying garden areas. Catmint stays in bloom for months and butterflies love it. The soft purple flowers and minty scent make it perfect for edging garden paths. Pentas are long-blooming and colorful, ideal for containers or garden beds. Their star-shaped flowers bloom all summer and are always buzzing with pollinators. Hollyhocks are old-fashioned charmers with tall stalks of bold blooms. Butterflies are drawn to their open faces, and they even host caterpillars like the painted lady. Lantana offers vibrant clusters of red, orange, pink, and yellow. This tropical beauty thrives in heat and keeps butterflies coming back for more. Phlox gives you mounds of star-shaped blooms in soft pastels or vibrant pinks. These flowers form clusters that butterflies can't get enough of. Snapdragons are classic cottage garden flowers in bold colors. Their tubular blooms are perfect for long-tongued butterflies and hummingbirds alike. Yarrow's flat-topped clusters in yellows and pinks make it an excellent nectar source. It blooms long into the season and adds texture to any butterfly garden. Stonecrop or sedum is both tough and beautiful. Its juicy leaves and pink blooms offer a feast for butterflies, especially in sunny, dry areas. Milkweed is essential for monarchs. It's the only plant their caterpillars eat. Its nectar-rich flowers also support a wide range of other butterfly species. Lavender brings fragrance and pollinators together. It's the perfect border plant, and its tall spires attract butterflies from early to late summer. Goldenrod offers golden plumes that bloom just when butterflies need them most. This wildflower feeds migrating butterflies in late summer and fall. Blue false indigo gives early season nectar and doubles as a host plant. It's one of the first to bloom and supports butterflies from egg to adult. Coneflowers or echinacea are garden staples that butterflies never skip. With pink, purple, and even green varieties, they add color and pollinator power to any space. Blazing stars send up tall spikes of fuzzy flowers that butterflies flock to. These drought-tolerant plants are great for adding vertical color. Petunias thrive in containers and baskets and bloom in late summer. Their funnel-shaped flowers are favorites for butterflies and hummingbirds alike. Pansies are cool-season bloomers perfect for spring or fall. Their happy-faced flowers and sweet scent invite butterflies in when most other plants are sleeping. Floss flower features clusters of soft, fuzzy flowers in blue or purple. These compact plants are butterfly magnets for small gardens and pots. Marigolds add bold orange and gold to any garden. Their strong scent repels pests, but butterflies love the blooms. Blue star grows into bushy plants with fine foliage and pale blue blooms. It's a soft and graceful plant that's often dotted with butterflies in spring. Heliotrope smells like cherry pie and looks just as sweet. Its royal purple blooms stay compact and bright in containers or beds. African lily shows off bold round flower clusters in deep blue. These sturdy plants bloom in late summer and create a striking butterfly haven. Dandelions may be weeds to some, but they're crucial for early season butterflies. Their sunny blooms offer the first nectar of the year. Butterfly bush lives up to its name. Its large cones of flowers are butterfly magnets. Fast-growing and colorful, it's a garden must-have. Roses aren't just for romance, they're for butterflies too. Simple varieties with open blooms are best for letting butterflies feed easily. Delphiniums add drama with tall blue spires and deep green leaves. They're early bloomers and look stunning when paired with roses or daisies. Allium blooms like firework displays on tall stems. Their round purple heads draw butterflies in spring and help kickstart the season. Your garden doesn't need to be huge to become a butterfly paradise, just the right flowers can make it magical. If you found a new favorite or learned something new today, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more garden secrets.